Hello and welcome to Witness. The public unrest that we saw after the Mumbai attacks was the most recent visible manifestation of a long-running, deeper horror with the deteriorating state of Indian politics. Now more than ever, there's a huge citizens' impulse to change. Equally, a cynicism about whether ordinary citizens can actually effect a change. Questions that become even more vital with elections around the corner. So on Witness tonight, we bring you the story of a nationwide movement which is trying to do what might at first seem impossible, clean up Indian politics. We call them the laptop guardians of democracy. They
compromise on clean politics as long as their representative delivers. And so, it comes as relief when in Madhya Pradesh, this is how a young man describes his ideal candidate.
चुनाव में कैंडिडेट ऐसा हो जो आम लोगों की भावनाओं को समझे, आम लोगों की ज़रूरतों को समझे। ऐसा ना हो कि जो बाहुबली जैसा हो या ज़बरदस्ती अपने तरीके से काम करता हो।
Ironically, the MLA of this constituency, BJP's Nagar Singh Chauhan, faces serious charges.
इसके लिए तो खैर मैं कुछ नहीं कह पाऊंगा।
Terror that Chauhan inspires means the only people willing to comment on his criminal record are those from the rival Congress party.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने आपराधिक प्रवृत्ति के लोगों को टिकट दी और आज प्रशासन के सामने जो पुलिस कार्रवाई करती थी उस पुलिस के सामने चिन्ह तान के बैठा और उनको डांट फटकार करा।
But the Congress can hardly take the higher moral ground. If 27 BJP MLAs in Madhya Pradesh face criminal charges, so do 23 Congress MLAs. In Lok Sabha, 22% of MPs have criminal cases against them. Almost every party across states has criminal MPs on its rolls. So how do parties justify fielding criminals in elections?
प्रकरण होने भर से ही कोई व्यक्ति अपराधी सिद्ध नहीं होता। जब तक माननीय न्यायालय किसी को दोषी न ठहराए, तब तक उसको दोषी नहीं कहा जा सकता।
But even when they are proved guilty, parties continue to woo these bahubalis, and so the nation lives with these absurd sights. Men who have earned a place inside parliament, instead spending their time behind bars, inside prisons. An NDTV Bureau report.
बताइए क्या हुआ था ये? आप बताओ आप छोड़ दो।
इनको